The moon and stars in perfect light arrayed. I stand in awe beneath the endless sky, and wonder, Lord, that you would hear my cry. What am I that you would call my name, yet crown me, Lord, with honor, love, and grace? You lift me up, you give me holy word, and set your glory in my life on earth. Oh Lord, my Lord, how great your name.